guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new, and welcome to today's video. Today's video will be cleaning my son's room, my bedroom, the kitchen, and I was supposed to clean my bathroom, but you guys, this day time got away from us. This is actually a Friday. The kids are going to go back to their mom, and then after that my husband and I went shopping. We got back home super late, so you'll see me continue the laundry later on that evening, and then I did the dining area, and then I continued everything else in the morning. My parents are going to come stay with us for the weekend, so I wanted to make sure that my son's room, this is my son's room, they typically stay in this room every time they come visit, so I wanted to make sure that this room was cleaned up. But you guys, I don't know what happened to me this day, but I did not get to do my bathroom. My bathroom was in such a need of a deep clean that it stayed like that for another week, because today I actually filmed another video and I finally got to the bathroom, you guys. Oh my gosh, it was a mess. But yes, so this video you see me cleaning now, you'll see me cleaning later this evening, and then you'll see me cleaning the next day. So just sit back and enjoy. Alright, you guys, I know you can't really see that well, but that is our car. My husband was going to go, or is going, to get some parts or something for our golf cart, and our neighbor drove up in his golf cart and just stopped my husband in the driveway. And it's funny because this neighbor of ours, he's very chatty. He's an elderly man. He lives alone, but he is just super chatty. He's super sweet, but super... that's too zoomed in. Super chatty. My husband has been sitting there for a while. I'm actually in my son's room cleaning the room, and I'm just watching to see if my husband's able to go. We have to leave in a few hours to take the kids back to their mom, so I'm wondering how he's going to get out of this. I just thought it was super funny. I had to share with y'all. Back to cleaning. In the crowd, just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. And make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. And make it worth your while. Alright guys, and here is this. I think I showed it in my grocery haul, not this past video, I think 2 videos ago. I bought this, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my son's closet since he is gone for the month of June. He is with his dad. I am going to go ahead and put this in his closet since that door is not going to get opened until he gets back. So let's go ahead and see what this is about. Okay guys, this is a definite must pick up. This definitely does work. I have had it in his closet for over a week now, and I checked it just yesterday, and there is like water or moisture, just like the box says, in the closet doesn't smell. It doesn't have that closed door smell. So definitely pick this up. I will definitely be putting this in my husband's closet because you guys, oh my goodness, I just cleaned that closet today and it's a disaster. But I will definitely be putting that in his closet as well. But definitely pick this up. It does work.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Thought I would have grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking into sin. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night.
You guys, I almost got my husband to clean out his nightstand here. Yeah, that did not happen. It almost happened. He was going through some things and then he just said he'll go through it next time. And of course, it's still a mess. There's still junk in there, but I really, really did try.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Okay, at this point, we were getting ready to leave. Well, the kids were getting ready. They were packing up their things, and I was just finishing up the laundry while they packed up everything that they needed to take to their mom's house. And then we left, and I literally left the laundry the way it was. And we got back home that evening. I washed my hands, put everything up that we had bought, and came straight into the bedroom and started with the laundry again. And then I went into the dining area, living area, and then of course I continued the next morning.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever.
I just love diffusing oils. I just love it. I love the way it makes my house smell, and I am loving this room spray from Mrs. Meyers, the peony smell. Oh my gosh, you guys. I use this. I think I've only had it maybe 2 weeks, and the bottle is almost done, and I can only find it at Target. My husband and I went out one day and I just saw it, decided to buy it. It smells so good. I love spraying it on my linens, the bed, the pillows. It's amazing. Y'all need to pick it up.
Loving this moment, can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment, can we stay here forever? This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it light. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
Okay, you guys, so while I was cleaning the back of the house, my husband was attending the kitchen. The kitchen needed a lot of attention here. He loaded the dishwasher, well, he unloaded it and then he loaded the dishes, and then I just finished washing the rest. But what threw me off here was that my parents actually showed up at 9, and typically they normally get to my house about 11 or noon, but they showed up super early, you guys. I was washing the dishes and I can see our driveway and I saw them pull up and I was like, what in the world? They are here super early. So I had to rush with the kitchen and I got it done. I got all the big things, like everything out of the sink, everything was washed. But I just still wanted to do a little bit more. I wanted to maybe wipe down the cabinets just because I feel like I needed it. We had the kids all week, and sticky fingers, peanut butter, jelly, bananas, I know they're sticky fingers. They touch all the knobs, and I know that, they don't always wash their hands. So I wanted to go ahead and clean the cabinets, but I didn't have time. So that is it for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button.
Loco paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun, paraíso, come and swim.